Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my debt binder scratch off and roll and save. Let's count what I have. I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. I was gonna post this video on Wednesday. That's when I normally do it, but I did not get around to it. So this one is Sweet Savings by Emilie Design, and we're saving $25 with this one. So if you watched my February savings video, you know that I cleared out all of these envelopes and put that money towards my debt payment because I just didn't want money sitting in here, when it could be paying down my car payment. So that's what we did. 3, 1, 2, 3. So I feel like that was the best thing that I could do, is get all the money out. All right, so $5 with this one. This one is by What's Poppin' Sunshine. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. This one is by Vicky Thinks, and this one is by What's Poppin' Sunshine. All right, next we have our sticker challenge. This is by Plan and Paper Designs. Let's do tomato and pizza for $6. There we go. We'll grab 6 right here. All right. Then this one is by Craftco Budgets. 3. 1, 2, 3, and that's $3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. All right, next we have these Valentine's ones that were in my shop. 3. We're gonna scratch a couple for 5, 6, 7. Just so we can finish it up. Okay, 8, 11, perfect. There you go. All right, then we have this one by N Valentine Designs that I bought off of her Etsy. Oh, this sticker is acting funny. Weird. All right, so that is $2. Let's see. There we go. All right, then we have this Valentine's Day one by Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting. 2. I don't know where we left off. 1. Let's do a 5. Actually, let's do 2 5s. And we'll just stick a 10 in here. There we go. All right, next we have April's Fresh Start. This was a Valentine's Day one for her. Let's see how many I have left. Okay. Let's do a 4 and a 1 for a 5. All right, then we have this one by Vicky Thinks. This was her thanks for reaching 500. Let's do this one. There we go. Next we have this one that I created as a giveaway. I will be posting this in my Etsy soon-ish, and it is customizable. You can get your name on it in foiled letters, and it's a mystery savings. And then this one is by me. Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my cats. So this one is also available in my Etsy. $5. Perfect. All right, we have $20 left. Let's see if I can make some change. Can't really. Okay, well, let's see. I don't want to risk a scratch off, so let's just do this one. Here's a 10. There we go. So we have 15 in here now. And there's a 10 right there. W and H. Waffle and honey. I think that's what it is. Perfect. And there's that 10. So we have 16 in here. All right. And that is it for our debt binder savings. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.